pop, 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 and pop, pop, pop with Popplers. Come with me. Magic Box, what are we learning today? Wow! Farm animals! Let's go to the farm. Grab your Poppler and let's see all the animals. Wow! What animal is that right behind us? It's a cow! Good job! Let's hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop the cow. Good job! Wow! What animal is that? It's a chicken! Good job! Let's hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop the chicken. Wow! What animal is that? It's a mouse! Good job! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the mouse. Good job! Let's go find some more animals. Come with me! Let's play a game. You have to be very quiet and listen to what sound you hear when we open the barn doors. Are you ready? Okay. What sound did you hear? What animal makes that sound? A cat! Yay! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the cat. Let's open the barn door again. What sound do you hear? Yes, it's a pig. Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the pig. Good job! Let's open the barn door one more time. Ready? What sound do you hear? What animal makes that sound? It's a horse! Good job! Let's pop, pop, pop and pop, pop, pop the horse. Are you ready to play another game with me? It's called What Comes Next. Are you ready? Okay. Dog, sheep. Dog, sheep. Dog, sheep. What comes after that? Dog! You are right! Let's hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop the dog. Good job! Let's try another one. Are you ready? Horse, duck, horse, duck, horse. What comes next? Yes, it's a duck. Let's hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop the duck. Good job! Let's play one more game. Are you ready? Okay, what's that noise coming from the barn? Shh, listen. Do you hear that? What animal makes that sound? Yay! It's a sheep! Good job! Let's hop, hop, hop and pop, pop, pop the sheep. Good job! Great job! We learned all our farm animals. Look at your Poppler. You should have all your animals popped down. That means you won! Good job! Let's say all the animals together. Are you ready? Horse, dog, cat, chicken, cow, sheep, mouse, pig, and duck. Good job, job! You learned all your animals. Bye-bye, friends! Remember, you are kind, you are smart, and you are loved. See you next time!